Hello children, I am very happy to meet you all again. In this video, we are going to see how to write notice and also how to write article and reading a passage. Here is a letter from a mother to her son's coach about his coaching. Let me read the letter. Dear coach, thanks for the special gifts that you have given to my child. You learned his name and spoke it often. You taught him the basics of the sport as well as special ways to improve and excel. Although you had a whole team of kids to mentor, you took time for individual instruction where needed. Here the mother says that the coach took individual attention for every child and he taught them the basic of the sport. Under your care, I have watched him transform from a timid, doubting child to a strong, happy player willing to give all for the team. Throughout the season, when he gave his best, even though it was not quite enough to gain that extra point, you recognize his contribution with a pat on the back and encouraging words. The coach encourages her son. Basically, her son was a very timid, doubting child, but now he became a strong and happy player because of the coach. Your wise approach showed him that although winning is a goal, there are other goals just as worthy. He learned the value of finishing what he started and joy of personal accomplishment. These attributes carried him through a season that was full of hard work and fun, discouragement and resolve, defeat and victory. And at the very end, at the championship meet, when he brought home his first place medal, you were among those who were so very proud of how far he had come. It's a victory to all of us. What amazes me is you have taught them skills that will last a lifetime. You have kindled in them a desire to excel. The medals, trophies and ribbons are all symbols of real gifts. These most certainly have had to come straight from your heart. With appreciation, a parent. First, read the passage carefully and reread this. Questions will be asked at the end of this passage. Read the questions carefully and answer the questions from the passage. What did the coach teach the child? The coach taught the child the basic of the sport. Again, I read the question. What did the coach teach the child? The coach taught the child the basic of the sport. What values did the child learn? See, the values the child learned was the child becomes strong and happy player and he knows winning is a goal. Although winning is a goal, there are other goals just worthy. So the coach gave the child the individual attention. The parents noticed some changes in the child. What are they? Basically, the child was very timid and doubting child. The changes in the child after the coach was he became strong and happy player. The changes in the child was strong. He became a strong and happy player after the coach. Read the letter again and write a few lines on each of the following. Things that the coach taught. What are the things the coach taught the child? Transformation in the child. Timid to very strong. Things that amaze the writer. The coach gave individual attention to every children. Find sentences or words from the text which express the following. The parent's earlier view of the child, timid, one of the qualities of the teacher, individual attention and care. Words related to prize. The words related to prize are medal, ribbons, the words related to medals, trophies and ribbons. These are the words related to prize. Next, now we are going to see how to write a notice. What is notice? A notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. It gives information to the specific group of people like students in the school. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards in schools or in public places. What is this? This is a notice board. You have seen this in your school. Messages are pinned up in this notice board. Now, we are going to learn how to write a notice. First, in a notice, we have to write the name of the school or the institution. It must be very prominent and clear, legible and in capital letters. We have to write the name of the school only in capital letters. And next, the name of the program for which the notice is drafted should be highlighted. The name of the program like Children's Day, Sports Day, or anything given in the question, we have to write the name of the program and next to the name of the school. Next, the date of drafting the notice. The date of writing the notice must be written on the top left or right corner of the box. You can start the notice by using expressions like how to start the notice. This is to inform all the students or all the students are informed. Next, you must include details such as in the content we have to include details what is the program and when the program is going to be conducted, where the program is conducted and why. So, date of registration and last date of registration should be mentioned in the content. The final sentence can be, for further information, details contact the name of the person, contact person's name and details. For further details, contact the person, contact the undersigned person. You can write one of these sentences. Let us see the example. This is a question. You are Nikhil or Nikita. You have to use this name only in the answer. School people leader of GHSS Trichy. The school name is given here, so we have to write the school name mentioned in the question only. Prepare a notice on behalf of your school inviting the grandparents of the students to celebrate World Elders Day. What is the program? Inviting the grandparents. What is the function? World Elders Day. In your school auditorium, where the function is going to start, in the auditorium. The place is auditorium on the 20th of next month. Date is also given here, 20th of next month. So, date, place, program all are given here. Let us see how to write a notice. First, write the name of the school in full capital letters. The name of the school is already given in the question, Government Higher Secondary School, Trichy. It should be written only in capital letters. Next to the name of the school, we have to write the name of the program. What is the program mentioned? World Elders Day. The next thing is, we have to write the date of writing the notice, 15th November 2020. How to start the notice? All the students are informed. We have to start the notice as all the students are informed that our school is in this content. We have to mention the date and the time and the venue of the program. So, the program is World Elders Day on What is the date? 20th of December at the time 3:30 p.m. We have to mention all the details here in our school auditorium. Time, date, place and program all are mentioned here. Interested students are requested to bring their grandparents. This function is only for grandparents. So, students are requested to bring their grandparents for the celebration. Tea and snacks will be provided. You can add anything like this. Fun activities will be organized. At the end of this notice, we have to write the name of the person who is writing this notice. The name is already given in the question. Nikhil or Nikita, head boy or head girl. This is the format of notice. First, you have to keep in mind the 5 things. First, you have to write the name of the school, name of the institution in full capital letter. Next, the name of the program. Start with the date, the date of writing the notice, and in the content we have to be clearly explain what is the program about, when the program is going to conduct and place of the program. We have to mention all the details in the content, and finally the name of the person who write the notice. Prepare a notice for the following. Now you are going to prepare a notice for this question. You are the school monitor of Modern Matriculation School, Villupuram. The name of the school is given, so you have to write the name of the school at the top, Modern Matriculation School, Villupuram, in full capital letters. Your school principal has requested you to inform the students about a trip to Ercot. What is this program about? Trip to Ercot. So the program is first write the name of the school and then trip to Ercot. How many days? For 3 days. You can mention any days. Here the date is not mentioned. So you can give any dates. Prepare a notice giving the details such as date of journey, mode of transportation, amount for the trip and dress code. First start with the school name and then the program is trip to Ercot. You have to mention how many days you are going to stay there, what is the amount for the trip and dress code for the trip. All the details you should give, and finally you have to write your name. For further details, contact your contact person name and his designation. That's all. Notice writing. It's given in your question pattern, question number 41. It's very easy, so try it. Next, article writing. What is article writing? Article writing is a process of creating non-fictitious text about current or recent news. It can be items of general interest or specific topics. They are published in print forms such as newspapers and magazines. Article writing is a writing for newspapers and other magazines. Article writing is a skill that needs to be practiced. You have to practice for this article writing. Let us see one example. Steps involved in writing an article. How to write an article? First, decide the theme. Choose an interesting, relevant or a current issue. Second, decide the title. The title suggests the core idea of the article. It has to be brief and captivating. The title should be captivating, catchy, and kindling the interest of the readers. The next point is, first form an outline. Forming an outline of the article is very important. It can be done in 3 steps. Introduction, body, the content of article, and finally the conclusion. So first, frame the outline of the article. Draft the content. When your outline is complete, start expanding on the first you write the outline, then expand the outline expanding the outline on the title, and edit it. Never submit an article in its first draft. Revise the article until it expresses your thoughts completely. Give it a final reading, edit it and correct the errors in it. Final reading, once the article is edited, give it a final read. Check it adheres to the requirements. Sample, here the sample of article is given. This article is written on pollution, a major concern, by, you have to write your name here. Under the title, you have to write your name by Arjun or Anjana. The following is an article by Arjun or Anjana on the causes and effects of pollution. See, this is the introduction part. Pollution is a major issue in India. Anything added into the environment that results in producing harmful or poisonous effect on living things is called pollution. Just like that, first we introduce the topic and then the content, what is pollution, how is pollution in India, and finally the steps to control the pollution and the conclusion. Okay children, you have learnt how to write notice and how to write an article. I hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you and meet you in the next class.